This wonderful garden is the result of the efforts made by the headmaster of the school, Srimati Venkatamma, along with her staff. Though it was possible due to everyone's collective effort in maintaining the garden, it cites an example of the team leader's zeal. Before this transformation, the school looked barren with the brown and black soil and thickly grown bushes. Immediately after the idea of making a garden flashed in her mind, she jumped into action to make fences, plowing, seeding, and cultivating. The dedicated, experienced staff like Rajashekhar, Venkatakrishna Rao, Bhagavantu, Mohan Gaut, young staff like Narsimulu, Vajralingam, Savitri, Sunita, and enthusiastic students made it possible within hours. Besides beautification of the school premises, she thought to make a kitchen garden to serve vegetables for students' midday meals scheme. After the primary arrangements were made, the district educational officer Srimati Usharani, academic monitoring officer Sri Hemachandrudu, Mandal educational officer Sri Narayan Reddy were invited for the inauguration of the kitchen garden, the first of its kind in the Mandal, perhaps in the district. The village elders such as Sarpanch Akula Venkataya, Vice Sarpanch Srimati MPTC Pullaya, SMC Chairman Sri Balakistaya, Sheshagiri Rao, ex-Sarpanch Fashiuddin, other ward members were also made a part of this. Within a fortnight, the barren school ground is transformed into a beautiful garden bearing flower plants, the shade-giving trees, fruit-bearing plants, decorative plants, and particularly the kitchen garden, which produced vegetables like tomato, brinjal, chilies, creepers such as bottle gourd, bitter gourd, leafy vegetables like spinach, amaranthus, hibiscus, and methi. The staff and the students enjoyed the garden work. They made into groups to look after the plantation, to weed, and to water. Some students are asked to adopt plants of their choice and take care of them. The children not only had the pleasure of producing vegetables but also used the garden for their science experiments and made it a part of their academics. The extracurricular activities and curricular activities became interdependent. The kitchen garden helped the students and the staff to have the organic vegetables in their meal, which is healthy. It also gave them the experience of farming. The students developed aesthetic sense too. Anybody who visits the school wants to stay hours together in the peaceful environment. They wished to be a staff member of the school. That is the magnificence of leadership qualities found in the headmaster Srimati Venkatamma. Hats off to her efforts. Presently, it is not just a school, it is the serene haven for the young minds of the learners.